No, that's not an earring. Can I hear you say, la, 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 la. Do you want to eat dolma? Say dolma. Off she goes.
Yeah.
So the best rice to make Kurdish dolma with is jasmine rice. So all I did was I just ran it through some cool water to rinse it off, poured in the tomato paste, and now I'm going to pour in the other ingredients. All right, so once all my ingredients are in here, oh, the bowl feels so heavy, which is a great sign. I honestly just like to go classic style like my mom and my grandma and just use my hands to mix everything in.
Wow, well I hope you washed your hands. By the way, everybody, I've been behind the camera the entire time.
We're celebrating Newroz. I remember as a kid, my mom would sit on the kitchen floor. She would be stuffing dolma in our little apartment kitchen, and I would sit there and I'd help her. I would just lick the rice because it was so sour and so delicious. Oh my gosh, you see that? I feel like as Teeny's getting older now, these are all like traditions that I can bring into our family. And so there's so many more recipes. I'm like, Mom, write it down for me. And she's like, you just gotta watch me do it. Try it now. Perfect. Mmm. Can taste the dill in there and it's like delicious.
I'm like that kid that like used to annoy my mom when she was making cookies in the kitchen.
So now we're ready to stuff. All right, so this is what we're gonna stuff the rice with. Stack of freshly washed grape leaves, butternut squash already diced up, and then the hardest part for me is the onions, but I found a trick. I boil them in the water first, just a couple of minutes. Then I use a sharp knife to gently carve just a line on one edge of the onion, and then I use my finger to gently, and if it tears it's okay, to almost like create these little, that's a really great little tip my mom showed me. I've already got the meat cooked to about medium rare. We're gonna add the dolma on top of it and get this bad boy running on the stove, and it's gonna make that meat just melt in your mouth good, and it's gonna make it cook even more. So, my mouth is just watering thinking about it.
Wow, babe, I didn't know you were a rapper.
Professional dolma rapper. So you see the shiny part? We're gonna lay that one on its back, and we're gonna stuff on the more rough side. Grab just a handful, keep it in the center, and then you wrap it. So you can just bring in the corners and really do it however you'd like. There's really no strategy behind it. You can even roll it. I'm doing this with one hand right now, but the idea is it's all gonna cook together. You kind of want to like pack it in here pretty tight, so we're just gonna pile everything and keep it all close together.
Mommy in the kitchen? Wow.
Chaos in this kitchen.
I think she just said dolma. Oh.
Teeny, do you want to try the mix for the first time?
Oh, she does it. Whoa.
You like it? Oh my gosh, there's no meat in here.
You're such a curd.
Actually lick it. Here. Sour!
Give Mama a kiss.
Ah.
John's got some.
You want more? Here. Here. I love it when she's coming back for more. That makes me happy that you like it. Okay, once everything is stuffed and your pot is full of your dolma, I'm about to add some hot water, literally a blender size full of hot water, because we want this to boil. So I'm gonna fill it all the way until literally the water hits your fingertips. Okay, so once I put the water in, my mom suggests that I leave the stove on high until the water comes to a boil for about 10 minutes. And then after 10 minutes, I'm gonna reduce it to medium and let that cook for about 20 minutes. Then I'm gonna come back and check on it and then reduce it to about medium low. And then I'm just gonna eyeball it after that and just kind of see, because every stovetop is different. You'll know it's ready when everything kind of melts together and the leaves get nice and tender and the rice starts to soften. Definitely taste test as you go and keep it closed so that all of it can kind of soften everything from the inside out. Mom, if water falls out of the pot, is that okay?
That means you gotta kiss it. When the water falls out, then you gotta kiss it.
Water's coming out of it.
The pot big enough?
I think the pot is too small. Ready, as you can see, all the water has been absorbed and Stevie already got first dibs. The bigger the bowl, the better. Be very gentle with this, babe. Okay, slowly, slowly. Here. Go, 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 go. Wow. Look at that. Oh my gosh. As you can see, the onion has completely softened. The rice is soft. We've got the meat, so delicious. We've got the grape leaves and the butternut squash, so tender. Now we serve and we eat. Happy Newroz to anyone who's celebrating. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment below, and let me know if you guys want to see some more Kurdish meals. Yay.